Ayan, welcome. You have recording this a time capsule for my future self while I play Minecraft. You know the feeling where I have to work hard at the same time, not knowing what the future may hold. Well, I applied for work and it's honestly can say that uh honestly can say that me wanting to find work. Ayan. Honestly speaking, I'm I just got back from my experience in applying sa work, and I gotta tell you guys, it was so good that experienced it. At the same time, I managed to find ways to really put myself out there. You know what I mean? And I honestly can say that whatever my work or na-realize ko lang na my eyes don't lie in this kind of industry nung time na nakapag-interview ako, and made me realize something na hindi ko naman na-expect na magkakaroon ako ng opportunity to do so is yung idea na na kailangan pala maging tatag at also at the same time, pero na-realize ko rin na maging sincere ako sa interview. And sabi daw ng interview is super yung intentions ko is very good, pero good only makes sense if kailangan ko ng commitment and follow through, tapos walang back out kapag mag-training na. And napansin ko rin na anyway, hindi ko pala kaya mag-ask habang nagre-record ako ng piece ko. Pero ito yung house ko. Yung experience ko lang kanina is wala, di ko nadala yung phone ko kasi nagmadali ako. At the same time, nainis ako sa tricycle driver kasi 70 pesos lang. 70 pesos na medyo mahal as per student like me, na, na hindi ko naman expect na ganun kamahal. Yung pamasahe ko, dapat pala lakad na lang ako. Pero na-realize ko lang na how much I want to work, regardless, and nalaman ko lang from my interviewer ko, nagsabi na quality per quantity, na kung saan daw ako mag-enjoy kahit mahirap daw. Pero na-realize ko lang na lahat naman, na-realize ko lang na kahit saan man naman ako pumunta, I think hindi na pabor sa akin kung saan ako masaya pero miserable ako. Um, Pansin ko lang na kahit saan man ako pumunta na trabaho is whether magkaroon lang ako ng income more or less. Pero right now, I'm just spouting out words sa nangyari kanina kasi di ako nakapag-prepare and I just realized that my creative juices was really enough for me to really to really pass or somehow get the initial interview, or more or less saan ko nakita yung sarili ko na magiging maayos ako. Pero ayun na nga, like pansin ko lang na whether or not naging successful man yung ginawa ko, I just right now I feel numb. I don't really reflect of what happened kasi um all I know is I did what I had to do, was to show up, and then whatever happens happens. Kasi um di ako sanay mag-commit whether or not sa idea ko of finding the right job for me, and whether or not I'll I'll pass the interview or the quiz. Is that is nakita ko lang na I don't I don't wanna anymore focus on what other people would say to me, or kaya yung common sense na di mo gagamitin yung course mo tapos mag-a-apply ka sa ganyang industry. Alam mo yun, like parang whether or not parang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na wala akong choice, pero at the same time I still have a choice to have the quality work that I've gained experience, and whether or not I would be happy, it really doesn't matter. Kasi, I think that's what most Filipinos say kapag kapag naghahanap ng work, kung saan ako masaya or saan ako pagpipilian ng magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan, yun. And napansin ko rin na whether or not I'll be able to commit to it is 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 really says a lot about my character as a person, na kung ano man lang yung pumasok sa akin na work, edi go. Pero that's kinda doesn't make sense kasi may pinag-aaralan ako, and at the same time napansin ko rin na whether or not I'll be happy or not is hindi siya hindi siya sang-ayon sa ano ba talaga yung gusto ko, kasi at the same time I really don't know what I want at this point. Kasi alam mo yun, like basta meron lang akong gusto kong mabili, at the same time nakikita ko rin na hindi siya pabor sa akin to make to make something out of nothing na results ko pag mag-work na ako. Um, Napansin ko rin na whether or not I'll be happy is really a matter of me trying to find a way to know talaga what really makes me happy in the long run. Kasi ayun, like all my life has been food spoon fed to me, which is not so good in terms of my relationship sa sarili ko, and also to myself. And ayun, like parang hindi siya hindi siya nagiging maganda. Na reasoning to do what exactly what needs to be done. Pero I think malalaman yan kapag dating ng panahon na pag nandun na talaga ako sa exact na thing na gusto ko talaga mangyari in my life. As of now kasi hindi ko pa alam, and that scares the shit out of me sa 22 years old in 2026, na ayun, pataas na yung mga bilihin. At the same time, um, parang pupunta na ako sa stage na kailangan ko na mag-work Pero regardless of whether it would make me happy, it's a really matter of time would say na, uy, nandito ako kasi gusto ko lang, hindi dahil kinakailangan. Wala, doon ako sa kinakailangan ko dahil hindi ko gusto. Alam mo yun? Like, ayun, like, hindi ko, hindi ko naman nakita na sa sarili ko na ano ba talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi, I never had the chance to explore that during my childhood, and I think right now I'm just spouting out words to say na meron pa akong chance kasi bata pa ako, sabi nila. Pero ayun, minsan papaisip na lang ako kung deserve ko pa talaga yung 10,000 pesos or worth more than 10,000 pesos na sahod kasi what I see to myself na ayun na parang meron pala akong kinakailangan na set ng standard for myself, which is I really don't know yet, but at the same time I think my it, it would allow me to explore more when that time comes kasi it's really a matter of whether or not I'll be happy or sad. Ayun. Ayun, I think that's all for today. Sorry for the weird cut. Ayan, thank you so much for listening.